Alright, so we're back working on the IS. I got these braces for it. The camera, I'm in that thing in the way. So it's the rear ones and the mid one, or front one, not the mid one. And then I also put, the seats in. And I put the rear strut out bar is kind of in. The carpet just needs to be cut. And then the front one is also in. I also got a steering wheel and quick release. I just got the black 2.0 so it dings after the third try. And then I got can't really see it. You can't really see it, but just believe me that it's red forged carbon. Steering wheel. And we also got the big touchscreen aftermarket radio, because the one that's in it is shit. We got TPMS sensors for it, OBD2 scanner, reverse camera, so that maybe I can back down the driveway, and then a bunch of wires.
Alright, so first things we're going to do to get this wheel off, there's two bolts. They're the 6-point bolts. There's one here, one on the other side, and then that should release the airbag, and then we can get the center bolt off and then blast this bitch out. Same time, I'm going to start taking apart some of the center console to start getting the radio in, and we're also probably going to have to take apart a good amount of stuff going backwards because we have the reverse camera that we're going to have to route into the back. Got the nav unit out, got the shifter boot out. Now we're just going to unbolt this here, and unbolt these two bolts down here, take this out, and then start test fitting the new radio. So right now we're putting in the reverse camera. What I'm going to do is, instead of drilling holes into the back of this, I'm going to take this panel out and try to route the wires through the holes that already exist. So we took out the two 8 mils right here and right here. I believe there's another one underneath this cover. So after that, I'm going to pop this off, get the last one, and then pull this out. So I took out the lock and I ran the wire through. If you pull the lock back up, all the holes still line up. So I'm just gonna run it that way instead of drilling any holes. So I'm gonna put this back on, put the plate on, get this tightened down, finally in place, and then we're gonna route the wires from here along the trunk down into the guard. Got the wire zip tied up right here. It's still hanging. Now what I'm gonna do is, me and Dave are gonna take off the back seat. We're gonna put the other end of the wire over there, where it needs to plug into the dash. And then from there, we're going to pull it out as far back as we can, and then we're gonna have to create new wires and connect them to the other end to get them to connect. There you go. Yeah, lift yours. Mine is up. Come on, don't be a bitch. Oh, there we go.
Oh
yeah.
my god.
Oh yeah, pull that out.
That's kind of gross.
That. What? Oh. What the fuck is that? You can't even see it. It looks like sesame seeds, but it's definitely like dead bugs.
I'm gonna burn it.
Backseat delete.
Maybe.
Yeah. Explain what's happening here.
This is like for a speaker, and it's it's in there.
Dude, it's like soldered to the chassis and painted on. What do you think we should do with the backseat of the IS? I have a beautiful idea.
Burn it.
No.
I don't know.
4 bucket seats.
Oh, that would be kind of fun.
Yeah, 4 bucket seats would be crazy. Then it'll be big drift taxi. Yeah. Good stuff. Gas tank. Put it in the trunk. You'll have a fuel cell, right? Then we chop this bitch like this. Shoo. Put a flat plate like that. Shoo. Shoo. That's it. And then we just bolt it, and then the only thing we'd probably have to keep is like the tunnel for the drive shaft. And that's it. And then we put another harness bar. We probably have to chop like into the trunk right there. We put another harness bar, and then boom, double fucking harnesses. That's legal. Road legal, street legal. It'll work. Cold in this bitch. What the fuck? Alright, so you gotta lift up from the bottom, from the middle, on each sides, and it'll pop out of these tabs right here. And then it's... Fuck. Oh, God. What am I stuck on? Oh, fuck. Oh, Lord, that was bad. That's bad. Oh, okay. This looks really bad, but it's coming right off. Well, that looks really bad, but it's literally coming right off. I don't
Right off.
It'll come right off. Don't worry, trust me. Right off. We'll be right back. And did I tell you it would go away, or did I tell you it would go away? It's not perfect, but...
I don't know, I still see a line.
It's mainly gone. Ah, that's so crazy that that happened. Wow. You can't see it on camera, but it's definitely still slightly there. You want me to apologize on camera? I'm sorry.
Boo.
It wasn't my fault. I tripped.
Is it going? Okay, today we're gonna take the trunk carpet out. It's a new day. Are you going?
Oh, please don't. Gentle.
Oh, that's something in it. Shh. Editor, make it look like I sprayed. That's where my butt plug went. I don't even know what that is. It was cheap.
Please don't.
I'll show my ass for 400 subs. Is that alive? What the fuck? Sent that brother to meet God. I thought we brought this to my house already. Must have been someone else's.
Whoa!
Thanks for worrying.
I wasn't worried.
I'm just coming back here. I felt on the outside.
I don't know who Nardi is.
Nardi makes like the nice wood wheels.
Oh.
Fucking yeah.
Are you gonna get wood beads to sit on too?
That might be fun.
It does make me uncomfortable.
That's fair.
I've never sat on them. Just the look.
Makes sense.
I don't know where a single one of these went.
It doesn't have to go back in anytime soon, so it's fine.
We're gonna try to record.
No, this way. Yeah. This one's kind of fucked. That's why you need Papa magic.
You can do it, brother. Got it?
Almost. Ooh,
What incarnation is going on right here?
getting lightheaded.
Woohoo!
We'll pretend like it was there.
You will now be entered into 13 giveaways, which is something else. With that being said, we are going to try to the largest discount that we have.
So much is at stake now.
Privacy, professional life, personal life. It's not just securing Google, it's securing the internet. Doctors trying to get in.
Baba.
With all that being said, I've got a video for you.
What?
We've still been working.
Hey, Papa.
Everything's still been moving, even though you haven't seen YouTube move.
Oh. That's not my phone. Oh. Hello? He said, fuck you. Screwdriver. Papa,
Yeah.
I need a screwdriver.
What kind of screwdriver, baby?
Of Phillips head.
Phillips head. How thick?
I'd say around average. It's not too thick. Pretty thin. My average.
Is this okay, Davey? Or thinner? Jesus fucking Christ, are you retarded?
Perfect. I think that's good. Alright, now that it's just us, I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing. It's been out for a while. I gotcha. Woohoo. Uh-oh.
I know what you're gonna do with that later.
You know, fuck it. It's back. Kill it. Not the window. Already scratched the car. Insert going up.
You know what I didn't do? Kind of dumb for it.
Get the scratch out.
What the fuck is that? I took the car off.
What the oh.
There's one down here, so you're gonna take those Phillips screws off. This black piece off.
This is all professional. Not done by YouTube.
Take that off as well. So
Go to houseofpainny.com to book an appointment for me to work on your car.
So wait, how did you lose all those?
I don't know. I put them in the seats and then I couldn't find them after.
How many
And
did you lose?
I used 2 of 100. So I lost 98 resistors. And now I have 99 resistors.
Are you gonna lose those?
Nope. I'm gonna keep them in my butt.
Is that secure enough?
With electrical tape it will be.
I can't see what you're doing.
Oh, a very technical process of finding where it fits the best and shoving it in. That'll do.
Finally, you found the
Oh.
hole.
There we go. Perfect. Now we tape and hope I put it right so that when it's all back together, I don't have to take it apart again and put a resistor in a different spot. I don't know how to rip electrical tape. It comes out like shit.
So what is that for?
electrical tape.
But why are you putting that on it? Like, what does the resistor do?
Oh, it makes it so the airbag light doesn't come on. Because sometimes in
cheaty.
what?
No airbag?
Well, the steering wheel doesn't have an airbag. But sometimes in cars, if this airbag light is on, none of the airbags ever work. So you put it in a resistor, and it tricks it to thinking the airbag's still attached.
Ah.
I need the short hub.
What's this guy doing?
Actually,
What?
where is all the stuff back there?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
So we'll see if I decide to wrap these. I would like it to be carbon.
Dress error.
One of the questions I get
Hear that, kids? Smoke cigarettes. Legally, I have to say that was a joke.
Steering wheel with an energy unit and airbag.
Don't be pussies.
Airbag bypassing. There's some real good
My God, shut up! I just need to know how to do the horn.
airbag.
And I'm going to show you how to bypass the airbag light and hook up the horn.
Okay, I just don't understand how you're gonna connect the wire from here to there. This will fucking do its thing as long as it's touching there. I just don't know, does this stay what do we think? This might stay still. It might only move that much if we put it. Okay. I gotta get this green and white cable right here on the end. Extend it and maybe attach it here. So
I got the wrong bags.
you know what it is? There you go. That's what it is. Boom. There you go. Let's just fucking. Yeah. There you go.
Okay. How much do you think size matters?
There should be.
I wasn't talking about wires.
I said, did you zap it on it? What size is it?
No.
7,
19, 17, 19.
You're fucking genius.
B movie.
Yeah, I don't know. It sounded like you made a B sound.
You like jazz?
You like jazz? I
Oh,
love
shit.
Some jazz. I really do. Jazz is quite nice.
Oh, put on some Bootsy Collins.
Wow. What do you know about that, brother? Big enough. Yeah, I said it for you. You're good. David, fucking go. I'm done, yeah.
Yes, Baba.
Go ahead. Just hit the button.
It's not going.
Hold on. There you go. Hit the button now. You're good.
Oh. Thanks, Papa.
You know what you didn't do? Line this up straight so that the wheel is then lined up straight. Get the wheel. Hold on. You motherfucker. Where's the wheel? Let me see it. Gabby, open the box. Oh, no, we're titties. I'm a fucking genius, you know what? Alright. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Is he ticklish? No. You can try if you want to touch me. I'm not ticklish.
What's going on?
What's that? Oh, Niagara Falls. Please don't kill me.
Put the money in my ass. Fuck. Oh! We're that fast. On a scale 1 to 10, how fast was that?
Isn't that funny? You don't think it's funny?
Here comes Papa. Here comes Papa. Here comes Papa.
The horn isn't like perfectly straight, but neither are you, so it works.
Don't put that in.
Put that in. Oh, buddy.
Oh, first ding. Yeah, spin. You stopped it, you fucking.
What do you mean I stopped it?
Just pop. Bitch.
Isn't it supposed to be straight?
Yeah, that's just straight bitches. Weird. Okay, so
You put it on the short hub wrong.
show me my way.
It's gotta like this is supposed to be up, I think.
Oh, I thought this side was. Wait, I had this up. I thought.
Wait, where does it
No,
ding?
this spins.
Oh wait, yeah, no, this is supposed to be straight up.
I wasn't aware of that. This was the only orientation where this fit. I'll be back.
He's got more racing to do anyways.
Oh shit!
You crashed.
They call this a short hub. I call this a perfectly average hub. Rewind. Not a hub. That's this. They call this a short throw. I call this a perfectly average throw.
All right, so now we're doing the braces. This side's already off because of some work we were doing. This side, we got to take off this 14 right here, this 14 right here. Then we're going to put these two new braces in, and they have this tie bar that's going to connect the two together. And then in the front, we have to replace this X brace right here. Alright, we don't have a long enough bolt, so we're gonna go to Lowe's or Home Depot, go get a new bolt, and then come back. In the race car! Alrighty, we came to Home Depot, and Home Depot's closed. I was racing a Camry, and I missed the turn for Lowe's, so now we're turning around.
He was losing.
I was losing very badly to a Camry. Too late. No. It's okay. The Civic pops now. I don't know what's wrong with it, but that's not good because it's just like pop, pop, pop.
Or what's right with it.
Hell yeah, brother. Oh, you motherfucker. Lowe's is closed too?
Oh, it's Sunday, you morons.
What the fuck does that gotta do?
Oh, I knew it.
Fuck, that was so good. They can't be closed. Unless it's my windows tints. Oh yeah, it's just my tints. Okay.
Stupid fuck. This fucking parking job. Definitely fucking handicap. Yeah, hold the fucking door open.
What did I tell you? What? These lights will be off because Felipe's here.
That's not even his name.
I found what we needed.
I think those are more than long enough.
Way more?
I need chapstick.
Me too! I was just thinking the same thing. Let me see those.
Way more bolt. So, yeah, that should work. So, a whole lot of length. Should be plenty.
That's what I'm saying. That's what, like 8 inches? Oh wait, it's metric. So like
8 feet.
like 4 rulers.
What, of the eraser wheel?
Yeah.
$41.99. Yeah, I think we need something like this or this. I gotta get that right here. The fucking.
What, to get the stretch out?
No, you piece of shit for the fucking. Oh, I was looking at it. After I did it again, it came out even more. So if I just do it a few more times, it'll come out some more. Bully. Can you fit it in your mouth? Fist it, fist it. Oh, yeah.
It's always an experience.
Oh shit. Oh fuck, fuck. Shit.
Oh, fuck.
We hit him.
Don't put that in.
Why? This is spiderweb grill.
It won't focus on it.
Put it back more towards the light.
Dave, you want? Okay, I don't want to hold it anymore.
Throw it out the fucking hole back there.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
You like banana bread?
Yeah, I don't like nuts in it though.
I like chocolate chips in it.
Yeah.
Yeah? You want to make some? I have some Trader Joe's mix if you want to do that.
Yeah, I'll make it. Not with
Alright.
you.
So, back from AutoZone, got the new bolts here. We're gonna use the old bolts for back here since they don't need to be long. And then up there we'll put in the new long bolts. Alright, Davey's opening up the front X brace. I'm gonna start getting this off now.